Hello friends, I'm Prachi Zogrekar, practicing architect and interior designer in Metro City, Mumbai. In this video, I am sharing lots and lots of cost-effective office interior design ideas. So if you are planning to redesign your office, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. What I learned in my practice of 30 plus years, I am sharing with you on this channel, Interiors with Prachi. Share it with your friends so they also get inspired. Idea number 1. The first idea is to opt for an open office layout. This is how a typical office with open office layout looks. In open office layout, there aren't many rooms and full height partitions. Item of partition is always high on any budget. Naturally, open office design is cost effective. It has other advantages as well. Open office layout increases interaction between people. They start sharing things with open mind and bond well. They learn to work as a team. Idea number 2. Freestanding dividers. Storage systems work very well as dividers or partitions. If your business is new or you are planning for growth, loose units will work best. You can shift them as per your team size. These office dividers can be transparent or semi-transparent glass. The vision continuity is retained and the space doesn't seem divided into small rooms. On the other hand, if your start needs to be on phone a lot, go for freestanding acoustical panels. It will help reduce noise and distraction. Continuous environment of people talking on the phone, co-workers on social media, telephones ringing and keyboard taps throughout the space may reduce the work productivity. It is a challenge an experienced designer easily copes with. Idea number 3. You can also use loose storage units as dividers between the departments. It is an economical way to give departmental feel. Two-way usability is designed in this project. Each department has their storage close by. That is an added advantage. The storage tops can be used for adding green power to the work area, or the top can be used to showcase the products of the company. Idea number 4. Let the reception be a dual duty. When your business setup is small and new, you need not have a separate reception area or designated receptionist. The table coming opposite entrance can have a side table which shall have a dual purpose to act as a reception counter whenever needed. Idea number 5. You can buy ready budget office furniture and storages. There is nothing wrong in that. And yes, you can support it with extra add-ons to make it user friendly. Use ready-made metal drawer units under the table. Add stationery trays along with keyboard trays. Fix them to your table bottom. Use mesh back chairs, they don't get sweaty fast. Use overhead metal storage with top and glass shutters for additional storage. Idea number 6. An aesthetically pleasing, bright and minimalistic decor is adequate for most of the companies. And there are plenty of inexpensive ways to do so. It prevents your workspace look clinical or boring. A simple white color scheme with company branding colors, company signage and few artificial plants will do the job. Idea number 7. Feature walls. Feature walls offer an inexpensive way to add personality to your office. Wall decals and glass films help to build your brand identity. It gives color and personality to the space, as you can see in our project we just finished this week. It emphasizes the expertise of a doctor and also tells the patients about other services that are offered here. Idea number 8. Old is gold becomes very true when you are working on a low budget. Utilize the existing furniture. Existing period furniture in good shape can save a lot of money. Refurbish it. Add bright branding colors with it. It will give unique identity to your office space. You can utilize this saved budget for so many other things. Idea number 9. Even if you don't have a space or budget for a full fledged cafe, have a tea point or a coffee point. They are the practical alternatives. Make tea coffee points compact and stylish. They keep the staff happy and in good mood. Experienced designers shall include a sitting as well. I hope that you have found many inspiring ideas so far to help you go further with your project. Now let's see the last but not the least point. Tip number 10. Consult the expert. It is always best idea to consult the expert for the advice. A good designer gives a perfect estimate and fits the work in specific budget. Expert like us save your time and money both. Thanks for watching. You can always contact us on email or WhatsApp on the links given below in the description box. Stay informed, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Press the like button and give your comments. That really motivates me to make more such videos. Have an energetic year. Stay tuned. Bye for now. You are watching this video on my channel Interiors with Prachi, where I share lots of interior related ideas for your benefit. You can also connect with us on LinkedIn or write an email to us or connect with us on the Instagram. All the links are given below in the description box. Stay connected. Stay tuned.